Hey guys, I am Nicole Terrell and this is my EDT 703 Digital Introduction. When you see me post on this class, it's going to show up as Christian Terrell. That's my first name, but I go by Nicole. A little bit about me is, again, my name is Nicole Terrell. I am from Florence, Alabama. I'm married to my best friend, Bo Terrell. We have been married for almost 3 years. We have an 18-month-old son named Mason. He is very busy and full of energy right now. I'm a teacher, so I've been home with him since March. It's been a blessing in disguise. That first week home, he started walking, talking, running, so we have had a lot of fun these last few months. We also have a little Maltipoo named Chloe. As a family, we love to travel, be outside, and spend time with our family and friends. A little bit about my education. I got my bachelor's degree in elementary education. I graduated from the University of Alabama in 2013. I got my master's degree at the University of North Alabama this past December in elementary education. And I decided to come back and get my education specialist degree. So I started that in May, and hopefully I can get it done pretty quickly. My experience, I taught first grade for 2 years in Tuscaloosa County Schools, Crestmont Elementary. I interned at this school my last semester of college and then ended up getting hired there. So it was a lot of fun, and it's such a sweet school. I then decided I wanted to move back home to Florence. So I have taught at Forest Hills Elementary, second grade for 5 years. And this is actually where I went to elementary school. So a lot of my old teachers are now my coworkers, which is kind of cool. This year will be my 8th year teaching, which is hard to believe. Time flies when you're having fun. Some of my favorite things, I love Chick-fil-A. My favorite color is pink. I drink way too much Diet Coke. I love the beach. Teaching is one of my favorite things. I've included a picture of my second grade class. We're setting free our butterflies we had raised. My family, I love both of my boys and my dog Chloe. So I'm looking forward to this course and hope to get to know you all a little better.